birthday, Kuya. Love you so much. More birthdays to come. Send more neighbors and more guys. Love you.
Happy birthday, Sunny. God bless you. Anong handa? Kakain ako. Okay, well, others true, others joke. My wish for you today is God will provide you everything what you need according to His glorious riches. Happy birthday again. God bless.
Happy birthday, Sunny. We love you. We love you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Sunny. I pray for more years to celebrate. I pray for good health, divine protection, and provision from the Lord para sa iyo at sa buong family mo. More blessings. And I just pray na yung mga dinidesign ng puso mo, grant mo, Lord, according to His purpose and will for your life. I pray na mas lalo mo pang isiksigan more than anything else. Enjoy your celebration. The Lord bless you and keep you. Happy birthday. God bless.
Hi, Sunny! Happy 40th birthday! Ang bilis, no? Parang kailan lang. Sabi nila, life begins at 40. May pagkatotoo naman yun. I just wanna say na thank you kay Lord sa buhay mo. Patuloy kanyang pinagpapala, ginagamit ka pa rin niya as instrument para sa mga tao na nasi-share mo yung gospel, and dyan sa pinapasok mong career ngayon, I pray lang lagi ng protection mo, ng kaligtasan mo, and I pray also na ingatan mo yung sarili mo bilang ama ng pamilya para sa iyong asawa at sa iyong mga anak. I hope and pray also manatili ka sa Diyos, huwag kang lalayo, no? Dahil ikaw ang magiging daan para maging successful and blessed yung family mo. For today, I hope and pray na ma-enjoy nyo yung celebration ng 40th birthday mo. And I just speak blessing, life, prosperity, protection sa'yo, kay Princess at sa mga bata. May God bless you and keep you safe always. Happy birthday!
Hello Brad, happy birthday. Pambiro, maasenso ka, nagpapabidyo ka na. Wala nang intro, ito para to sa mga baby mo ha. Happy birthday Brad, and ingatan mo sila. Kamal, happy birthday ni Sunny, bati mo.
Happy birthday, Sunny.
Ang kagigising niya lang kasi. Kapag magulo ng mundo, ikaw ang payapang hinahanap-hanap ko. Tumakbo ka rin patungo sa'kin kapag bumibigat na ang iyong dibdib. Ika'y sasalubungin. Happy birthday Brad, and sana lumaking masigla mga anak mo. God bless. Sabi mo, ano sabi mo? Sabi mo na, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Live kami ngayon sa Las Piñas, and you're listening to W111.9 for Live. Good evening. Happy birthday.